Yeah, they're jumping in here. Well, we're out here at Bird Island on Grand Lake, what they call Bird Island. Lots of birds and lots of fish. Fishermen out here, it seems like tonight. Maybe we can catch something. Seth, grab your pole, get you a Cotton Cordell or something. We're gonna do a Palomar knot real quick. Maybe get a few white bass, sand bass, whatever you want to call them.
Look, they're all over there.
Right here in front of us, they're in here. Right here in front of us. Jump, throw it in there, throw it in there.
Got one.
Got one? Right. Reel him in, reel him in, reel him in. They're right there.
Are we keeping these?
No. All right, sand bass, sand bass. Look at them fight right there. Look at them right there where the birds are. Seth caught him one. They will get you, but got one. Throw it out there, throw it out there. Fix it, fix it. All right, getting in the sand bass. You gotta hold them good or they will get you.
Got one.
Seth's got him another one.
Oh, what is this? That's a nice one.
Pretty nice one. Need a pliers. You got a pair? Nice one, Seth, nice one. Throw them out there, they're still here. Right here. Got one? Got him another one, got him another one. Good job, good job. Another one, another one. They're jumping all around us. Busting water all around us. Using a little Cotton Cordell Sexy Shad. See if we can't get one to bite on it. Yeah, they're in there. How deep are we, Seth?
16.
All right.
18.
You have to check your line every once in a while. I just had a bite and missed him. Make sure they don't, I've got braid on. Make sure they didn't mess up your line. They got little teeth. Got one. Right there. Nice one. As soon as it hit the water. That might be a striper. What is he? What is he? Nice. Ooh, that's a nice one right there. The pliers out. Don't want to get finned. Do what? All right. There's some right there, Seth. Oh, got one. Got one, real good one. Right here. Come on, bad boy. Come on in. Quick release system, Jimmy Houston style. You got one? Seth's got one. They're jumping right in front of you. Steph, throw in there, throw in there. See him in there? They got him one. Oh, they're all in here. Let's see if we can't catch one. Top water probably work. Got one? Nope. Got one? Good. Nice one. Oh yeah, pull him on in. You got him. Flip him out. They're busting top. Don't need to have that running. Well, I hope my lights will work. Oh, got nice one right here. Oh, that might be a striper. That little dude right there, that's a big one right there. Come on, big guy. Get in here. These suckers sure fight. Well, that's a slab right there, guys. Hope you can see that on the camera. Nice. All right. We need to bring the boat back up here and do this again. Did you get one? What you got? Yeah, you got you one. You all right?
Yep.
There you go. They've moved on. Oh, they're behind us. Oh, got one. Long ways out. Bring him in, bring him in. Come on, bring him in. Not a big one, but he's a number. What, Seth? Seth got him one. We got a double hookup. Small one, small one. Go, 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 go. Throw, and then I'll walk up there. Just don't knock me out of the boat. We see them busting water right here in front of us. See if we can cast out there to them.
take on like
This is some of the best fun fishing.
that. Yeah.
You get on them.